Let's do a quick unboxing. I got my perfect summer shoes. So this is from JW Anderson. It comes with one dust bag, quite big to fit both pairs. I love the smell of new shoes. I don't know if that's weird, but yeah. And I got this. This is what I got. I love it. I've been wanting these shoes forever. I love this elevated sort of Birkenstock. I wanted the black initially. I got this because I think it's neutral and you can wear this with so many things. Sometimes I feel like black shoes can limit you, so I can wear this with a lot of things, even though it's got the logo, but I feel like it blends in really well. Got this gold detailing and then the leather trim in here, and I think for me, I think I love it. And then that's what it looks like inside. I got it in a size 7. I think UK, it got UK 40. My feet is slightly wide. I'm normally a size 6, but this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like at the back. I love them. I really like them.